UpCounsel overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to UpCounsel.com, which is an online marketplace connecting businesses and individuals with experienced lawyers. It offers a wide range of legal services from contract drafting to intellectual property advice. Users can browse attorney profiles, compare prices, and schedule consultations, all within the platform. UpCounsel aims to provide accessible and cost-effective legal solutions to clients across various industries. Its streamlined process simplifies the lawyer-client connection, promoting efficiency and convenience. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how it works. So this is the main page of our platform. We have here the place to type our zip code to get free proposals for knowing or seeing the lawyers that we have in our area or our city or state. And here we have the popular legal areas like agreements, business informations, patents, trademarks. So you can just select one of those and get a free proposal or learn more. And in our right, we have how it works if you need to know and understand how the platform works. We have their lawyers if you want to post a job, and you have here the categories of lawyers. You have business lawyers, C corporation formation lawyers, contract lawyers, copyright lawyers, and so on. And here you have the resources. You have the customer success stories, patent law resources, trademark law resources, startup law resources, legal documents. And here we have for lawyers, you can hit here if you are a lawyer and you can get to sign up in the platform. And here the login for people who already have an account and for those who want to create a new account. So let's go with login. And here you can type your email address and your password if you already have an account. If not, you can go for sign up now. You can register with your Google account or with your LinkedIn account, or you can just fill those information and select one of those two if you're a lawyer or you're a client, and the robot test, and then hit sign up now. So I'm going to fill this information and get back to you. After writing your information, guys, you need to check your email for an email verification. So you will find a message in your email, in your Gmail box, and you will hit a button and it will take you to verify your account. So I'm going to verify my account and get back to you. So after clicking the button in your email, in the message that you received in your email, it will take you to this page when you need to set your password. So you write a powerful password right here and you confirm it, then you hit save password. So I'm going to write my password. So make sure, guys, it's a powerful password. Then you hit save password. And this is the welcome page. So as you see here, you can post a job and get free proposals. You can hire your lawyer from here and you can get proposals, and obviously you can post a job. So if you want to post a job, you just click here and you post a job, and here you can search for the posted jobs, and here you can browse through the resources. Here you have your notification. So if someone applied for the job you posted, you will have it here in your notifications. And here you have your account. So you have your dashboard and settings if you want to change anything, or your information like your email, for example, or your name or your last name. So here we have the messages. if someone applied to our job, we can find it right here. Let's go back, and here we have our documents. If you have any documents to upload, and here we have our jobs. To see the jobs that we already posted. So as you see here, we have no jobs because we didn't post any job yet. Here we have our invoices, and as you see also we don't have any invoices yet. And here we have the transactions. So here it shows, here you're going to see the transactions that you made and the payments that you made. And here we have our call history and our system messages. So let's go back to the main page. So as you see, we can post a job and get free proposals. And this is the phase for people who are looking for lawyers. And for lawyers, you go to you scroll down and you see the navigation section, and you see here for lawyers. So you hit for lawyers, and if you are a lawyer, you can apply from here. So you hit apply as an attorney, and here you see it takes you to the same page. So we already signed as a person who looks for a lawyer, so you can't be looking for a lawyer and in the same time be a lawyer. So just showing you how you can do it, and it's for lawyers. So just click for lawyers and you apply right here, and you put your resume and your degrees and things like that, and you can apply to be a lawyer and to take jobs from this platform. And if you have any questions, guys, regarding this platform, you can just scroll down and you see here the contact section. So just hit visit our support center and you wait for it to load. So here you can search for any question that you have in mind, and you can find the answers for your question, or you can just scroll down and you will see the questions that were asked before. You can find your question among those questions, and you can find the answer just by clicking it. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.